Hey Ashton, what do you want for breakfast?
Eggs.
You want eggs?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get the stuff.
Easy.
What do you need?
I need my steps still. Excuse me.
Can you tell me what you need to get?
Yeah, I need to get eggs.
You need the eggs. Okay. What else do you need?
I need cheese.
You need cheese.
Here you go. And milk.
You need some milk.
And some milk.
I think you got everything. You want any pepper, salt, oregano? Alright, ready?
Yeah, you need to grab a bowl first.
You need a bowl to mix it in.
Let me grab one. Okay. You need a bowl.
No, let's get this bowl. Let's get a cup.
A cup. Which cup? That cup?
Careful. Okay. Good job. Alright, now pick out the egg that you want.
I do it. I'm cracked. This one.
You want to do that one? Do you need help?
I got it.
Oh, almost. Get the shells out. Okay, wait.
And you want my
Now you need to wash your hands.
Cool, I did that. That's how I did it.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Okay.
Turn that back on. Use the soap. There you go.
And you need a towel.
Okay. Now should we check it? Make sure there's no shells in there. You did a good job.
I'm coming back for another one. No, I need another one in there.
You want two?
No. I got this. I get it. Which one? This one? Ah!
Almost. Okay. You got all the shell? Good job.
One more.
No, that's enough. Look at the mess you made. Let's wash your hands again.
There's all these under there.
Watch out, Enzo.
Yeah.
Wash them good.
Done.
Alright, so now what next?
Cheese.
Put some cheese in there. No, not a lot, just a little.
I need some.
Put some in the cup first.
Way more.
A little more. Is cheese your favorite thing?
Yeah. Done.
Okay.
I have one.
A little bit. I said a little bit. What was that?
No, milk first.
Milk first. Do you need help with the milk?
No.
You gonna try it?
Mhm.
Enzo, no. Nice and slow. Oh, that's enough. Whoa, quite a bit.
Yummy.
It's gonna be a little watered down.
Time to do this.
Stir it up good. Alright, you all done?
Yeah, and
Okay.
you get a tiny bowl.
Pan?
Tiny bowl.
I think we need a little bigger since you did two. So how about you grab that one back in there? How about you grab this one? Okay, gently. Okay, now what's the rule about the stove?
No touch the hot thing.
No touch the black area and only use it with an adult, correct?
I don't.
You want to dump it in?
Yeah.
Just a second. Let's do this.
this right here.
We need to do what? We need to put that
And there.
in there. Is that so it doesn't stick?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. First, before we do that, we need to turn it on. Get it a little warm. How about while that's warming up, let's put everything away, okay?
Okay.
Can you close that up?
I put the eggs away.
You're gonna put the eggs away? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the cheese away. You hand me the eggs.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
After I put the cheese away.
Is the cheese closed?
Yeah.
Okay. Careful.
Eggs. Go right here. And milk.
And the milk. There you go.
Okay, milk and cheese.
What do you want to drink?
Apple juice.
You want apple juice or you want orange juice?
Apple juice.
Okay.
Right there.
That's the applesauce. Apple juice is back here. Okay.
That's it?
Close that all up. Let's check on this. Okay. Now you don't touch, remember? You never touch it. You just feel above. It's nice and warm.
Okay,
Okay.
pour the eggs.
Oh, just a second. All right, buddy. Now I'm gonna pour it in here, okay? So you don't get hurt. All right, bud. We'll see how this does. I think there's too much milk, but let's try it. All right, you want juice?
I grab it. I grab it
You
then.
gonna get a cup?
No.
You got it?
That. Go and grab this one.
Okay. Whoa.
You.
All right, so you got your juice.
I'm done.
I've got coffee.
I'm gonna help you do your eggs.
Oh, you want? Okay. Here, cheers. Morning. All right, let's see how this is going. Let's get something to stir it up. Let's use. Here, go ahead and put that back. Let's just use a spoon.
I do it.
Very, very carefully.
Very carefully. Okay.
Very careful. Don't touch. Okay. Okay. It's good. I'll let it go for a little bit. All right. So how's it coming?
Good?
It's getting good.
Yeah, let's get something, Daddy.
What do you need? All right, bud. What do you think? Is it done?
Yeah.
All
super
done? You good? Ready to eat?
Yeah.
All right, bud.
The
Here you go.
dogs above me.
The dog's below you? Okay. Well, let's not feed him right now with this. He had his own food. All right. What do you want? Fork?
Yeah, put in the spoon.
Fork and a spoon?
Yeah.
Got some construction working going on.
Stretching motors.
All right.
I love stretching motors.
That was pretty good eggs that you made there. So, how old are you? You're 5? Yeah, making eggs. Are they good?
I'm cracked my eggs all by myself.
Yeah, you did. Are your eggs good?
Yeah.
A little hot? Okay. All right. Thank you for watching, everyone.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
See you next time.
See you next time.
See the world through Ashton's eyes.